Hello everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to use Adobe Firefly to create pictures and images to upload into your love stories that you created. So first you're going to look up Adobe Firefly and you're going to click Generate here. This will take you to this sort of tab where you're going to just search whatever you want to generate. So I'm going to look up father and son rafting, generate. You can click art or photo. Art makes it more animated and photos realistic. So I'm going to see what it comes up with here. Okay, so it went and picked out a real photo, but that's alright for what we have. We're just going to go here and click this more options button. That's going to download it to what we need to download it to, and then we're just going to hit continue. It's going to prepare the image, and then here I'm going to click insert image, upload from computer, father rafting, open. There you go. Center it however you want, and you have your picture.